Most people think more AI tools mean more productivity. They're wrong. In fact, your AI stack is likely slowing you down. You've just traded old manual work for new digital housekeeping. The real secret to 2026 isn't adding another subscription. It's removing the human from the dashboard entirely. I've spent the last year auditing agentic workflows for high-growth startups and investors. I've seen the divide between those just chatting with AI and those building autonomous systems. The shift from LLM chatbots to autonomous agents is the biggest leap in software since the invention of the cloud. Today, we're breaking down why the traditional SaaS dashboard is dying. I'm going to show you how to move from a tool stack to an agentic workflow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stop managing tools and start managing outcomes. Let's be honest. You've spent the last year building the perfect AI stack. You have a tool for research, one for copywriting, another for scheduling, maybe a complex make.com scenario trying to glue it all together. But look at your browser tabs. It's a nightmare. You aren't actually working. You're orchestrating. You've become the middleman between 5 different AI dashboards. This is tool fatigue. Every time you switch from Claude to ChatGPT to your CRM, you lose cognitive momentum. You're spending 40% of your day just moving data from one box to another. Here is the irony. AI was supposed to give you your time back. Instead, it gave you a new full-time job, AI manager. Most people think the solution is a better tool, a more powerful plugin, a faster LLM. They're wrong. The problem isn't the power of the AI. It's the interface. The dashboard is the bottleneck. As long as you are the one clicking generate and manually moving the result into another app, you aren't leveraging AI. You're just a high-paid data entry clerk for a machine. And in a world moving toward 2026, that is a losing strategy. So what's the fix? Stop looking for the perfect tool. Stop hunting for that one app that promises to organize your entire life. The secret isn't adding more software. It's removing yourself from the middle of the process. We are shifting from tool-centric productivity to goal-centric workflows. In the old world, you were the operator. You moved data from ChatGPT to a Google Sheet, then to an email, then to a CRM. You were the human bridge. By 2026, that bridge is obsolete. We're entering the era of agentic workflows. Now let's be clear. An agent is not just a fancy chatbot. A chatbot waits for you to tell it what to do. An agent is given a goal and figures out the how on its own. Think of it as the difference between a calculator and an accountant. The calculator gives you the sum. The accountant manages the books, finds the errors, and files the taxes while you sleep. This is where your stack changes. You stop paying for dashboards and start investing in infrastructure. Instead of logging into 5 different SaaS platforms, you use tools like Relevance AI to build autonomous agents. These agents don't just write, they execute. Here is how the 2026 workflow actually looks. You don't open a CRM. You don't manually scrape LinkedIn. You give a high-level objective to your agentic layer. The agent uses the OpenAI API to reason through the strategy. It triggers a make.com scenario to gather data. It evaluates the leads. If a lead is low quality, the agent rejects it without ever bothering you. It iterates. It corrects its own mistakes. It optimizes the copy in real time based on conversion data. You aren't managing tools anymore. You're managing outcomes. For the entrepreneur or investor, this is the ultimate leverage. You're no longer scaling by adding headcount. You're scaling by adding compute. The competitive advantage in 2026 won't be who uses AI. Everyone will use AI. The winner will be whoever has the most efficient agentic loops. If you're still spending your day clicking buttons in a dashboard, you aren't working smarter. You're just a high-paid data entry clerk for your own software stack. It's time to stop operating the tools and start orchestrating the agents. Now, talking about agentic workflows is easy. Implementing them is where most people fail. To actually move away from the dashboard, you need a core infrastructure. I build my systems using Make.com for the plumbing, the OpenAI API for the reasoning, and Relevance AI to deploy the actual agent workforce. The result? I stopped spending 4 hours a day acting as the human glue between apps. Now, my agents handle the lead research, the initial outreach, and the CRM updates autonomously. I'm no longer using tools. I'm managing a digital workforce. If you're ready to stop clicking and start orchestrating, check the links in the description. Grab the exact stack I use to automate the boring stuff. Build your agents. Reclaim your time.